afternoon, all of you. Monish sir, good afternoon. Very good afternoon. Okay, thank you. Right. I hope you all are heard the news about the deleted portions. Okay. What are the topics? So look at that. If you want the PDF means you please send a message. I will send the PDF that the deleted portion in Max PDF. Okay. In first chapter, difference of sets, that A minus B, that is deleted. Complement of a set and its properties, that is also deleted. Is trigonometry never deleted. Okay. You send a WhatsApp I think you have my number. You play WhatsApp me. I will send the PDF. In second chapter, relation and functions, sum, difference, product and quotients of functions, that is related. Sum of two functions, difference of two functions, product of function, quotient function. Okay, so that is deleted. And in third chapter, yes, I will send it after 4:30. After the class, I will send it. This is not a right time. Okay, so trigonometry function, general solution in trigonometry solutions of the form. That is, we have discussed three theorems. What are that? Sin x is equal to sin y. What is our general solution? My x is equal to something. Similarly, 2. Cos x is equal to cos y. And tan x is equal to tan y. That's a general solution. All these things are deleted. That is general solution in trigonometry. Okay, so this okay, so therefore this is deleted in our third chapter. And chapter 4 totally deleted. Chapter 4, mathematical induction, that is totally deleted. So after completing this chapter, we are going to discuss about that. The next chapter is complex number and quadratic equations. Okay, in that complex number and quadratic equation also some topics deleted. Polar representation of complex number, square root of a complex number, that is also deleted. And your next chapter, fifth chapter, linear inequalities is also deleted. The total entire chapter deleted. Okay, so in similarly, many things deleted, some chapters deleted, some sections deleted in some chapters. Okay, I will send a PDF or you collect the PDF from your friend from school. Okay, but go through that. What are the portions deleted? You please just go through at least once. Okay, right. So since this general solution is deleted in our new syllabus, so therefore I have to skip this. I have to stop this general solution problems topic. Okay, we will discuss some other problems based on the identities. Okay, so we don't want to discuss this general solution problems, trigonometric equations. I think I don't want to discuss all these kind of problems. Right, so we'll discuss some other problems using that miscellaneous problems and using that identities. Yes, This lesson is almost completed. Today we will discuss some more problems. If possible means tomorrow also we discuss some more problems. After that we will finish our this syllabus trigonometry, this chapter, and we will go to that next one. Yes. Trigonometric equations deleted. Correct. Trigonometric equations only deleted. Okay. And that principal solution, trigonometric equation like this is principal solution is there. Only general solution is deleted. Principal in trigonometric equation, principal solution is there. Okay, only general solution is deleted. Principal solution still there. Trigonometric identity is still there. Okay, so that are still there. We have to concentrate the problems in principal solution. Not totally trigonometric equation, totally entire section is not deleted. Only the general solution only deleted. In trigonometric equation, general solution only deleted, principal solution still there. Trigonometric identities and problems related to trigonometric identities all are still there. Okay. No. So some students are asking only some simple topics, unimportant topics only they deleted. Okay. So there is no problem for you. In future, if you want these topics, deleted topics means you can study yourself. Okay. So it is a only the easiest topics, simple topics, unimportant topics only they deleted. The most important topics, okay, and difficult topics, everything is in your syllabus only. Don't bother about that deleted portion. Okay. In this deleted portion, sometimes they not at all ask some questions. In these deleted topics, in +2, particularly I'm telling that +2, not in +1. In +2, they deleted some topics. In that topics, many topics, they not at all asking any question in board exam. Only unimportant topics, the simple topics only they deleted. So like that +1 also, you don't worry about that. Okay. Right now, I will discuss some more miscellaneous problems and exercise problems. After that, we'll finish this trigonometry and we'll go for the next one, complex number. So look at this problem. If sin x equal to 3/5, cos y is equal to minus 12/13. This problem is completed or not? Sin x is equal to minus 3/5, sorry, 3/5, cos y is equal to minus 12/13, where x and y both lie in the second quadrant. In some chapter, they are deleting some portion, some chapter totally deleted, in some chapter, no deletion. So you see the PDF, then only you'll get an idea. So where x comma y both lie in the second quadrant. Find the value of sin of x plus 5. Okay, what is the identity? You know the identity sin of x plus 5. What is sin of x plus 5 formula? Identity sin x cos 5 plus cos x sin y. You please try to understand the identity. Sin of x plus y is not sin x plus sin y. sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, right? But here sin x is given, cos y is given, sin x is given, cos y is given. I don't know about cos x, I don't know about sin y. So I have to find out. So therefore, my sin square y is equal to, I want sin y. So sin y is equal to, or sin square y is equal to 1 minus cos square y. What is cos y? My cos y is nothing but minus 12 by 13, the whole square. So therefore 1 minus, this is 144 by 199, 169. This is 169 minus 144 minus 25 by 169. This is sin square y. Okay, my sin y is equal to plus or minus 5 by 13. But your y is lies in the second quadrant. My y, x and y both lie in the second quadrant. If the angle is lie in the second quadrant, then sine of the angle is always plus only. Okay, not minus. Sine of the angle is plus in the second quadrant. So therefore, my sine of y is equal to plus 5 by 13. Okay, now come to that. I'm going to find out my cos x. What is cos square x formula can be written as in terms of sin x, cos square x 1 minus sin square x. 1 minus, what is my sin x? Look at that, my sin x is 3 by 5. My sin x is 3 by 5, the whole square, because square is there. So therefore 1 minus 9 by 25. This is 25 minus 9, 16 by 25. Okay, my cos x is equal to plus or minus 4 by 5. Right? So, but this x belongs to the second quadrant. Since x belongs to second quadrant, my cos x is negative only. So, therefore, my cos of x is equal to minus 4 by 5. Yeah, I will give my number. Don't worry. You please take it as my number. My number is okay. This is my number, WhatsApp number. If you have any doubt, please send your doubts or call me in the evening, not in the class time. Are you okay? Somebody asked that first slide. What is the problem? What about my cos x is minus 4 by 5? Okay, now come to the question is sin of x plus y. What is my sin of x plus y? Sin x cos y. What is my sin x? My sin x is 3 by 5. Okay, my cos y. What is my cos y? Minus 4 by 5 plus cos x sin y. Sorry, this is cos y. My cos y is here. Sin x cos y minus 12 by 13. Minus 12 by 13. My cos x is minus 4 by 5. My sin y is 5 by 13. Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Right. So now this is, look at that, minus 36 by, this is 5 into 13, 65. Here also 5 into 13, 65. So therefore this is 20. Are you okay? minus 56 by 65. Are you clear? Any doubt? Yes. We can find that x value from sin x is equal to 3 by 5. Look at that. My x is equal to 3 by 5 means how can I find out? My sin x is equal to 1 by 2 means I know that my 1 by 2 is pi by 6. Are you okay, my dear student? My sin x is 1 by 2 means I can write it as this is pi by 6, sin pi by 6, sin 30 degree only 1 by 2. I can conclude that x is equal to pi by 6, 30. But 3 by 5 means it is not at all possible. Finding sin y. If you know the sine of 3 by 5, if you know the some sine, which angle is sine of which angle is 3 by 5, you know, then we can easily find out your x. Okay, you please try to understand. Right, now come to the next problem. Prove that, the question is, prove that cos 2x cos x by 2 minus cos 3x cos 9x by 2 equal to sin 5x equal to sin 5x by 2. I have to prove that cos 2x cos x by 2 cos 3x cos 9x by 2 equal to sin 5x by 2. So come to that left hand side. So here look at that cos x by 2 is there. So we can take it as cos A cos B. Since already x is given, no need to take it as x and y, it will be confused. Okay, so I am taking it as cos A cos B. Right. Suppose I am multiplying by 2 and divide by 2, then what happen? Here also, this is take it as cos A cos B. Right. What is my cos A cos B formula? 2 cos A cos B formula or 2 cos X cos Y formula. That is a 21st identity, last identity. 21st identity, 2 cos A cos B. My 2 cos A cos B is nothing but cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. 21st identity that is given in x and y, because here also x is there, that's why I'm using A and B. 2 cos A cos B is cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. You just apply this identity here. Okay. What kana? Do you know this identity? You please see that identity number 21. I think the identity is 21. 21st identity. 2 cos A cos B, this is a formula, cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. I'm going to apply this formula here. I'm going to apply this same formula here. But which is missing? Here the formula is for 2 cos A cos B. But here only cos A cos B is there. You can take it as this is A, this is B. When you consider this is A and this is B, okay, but I need 2, then only I can apply the formula. Here also I need 2, then only I can consider this is A, this is B, 2 cos A cos B. I can apply the formula, right? But 2 is missing, so I'm going to multiply and 2 divided by here. Okay, divide by 2 and multiply by 2. What is the answer I'm getting? I'm getting 2 cos 2x cos x by 2 minus 2 cos 3x cos 9x by 2. I'm just multiplying divide by 2. Why? I'm going to apply this formula. For applying this formula, I need that 2. Okay. Yeah, a and b are different values. Instead of x and y, I'm taking a and b. Yes, dear students, please note that instead of we have identity for 2 cos x cos y. Cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y. Formula is there. Identity is there. Here also x. Here also x. Therefore, I'm using some different a and b. Don't get confused. Okay. So now I'm going to apply that. You can consider this is my a. This is my b. Here also separate. This a and this a both are not same. I'm applying the formula separately here and separately here. Don't confuse about this A, and this B and this B. You consider this is A and apply this formula. That's all. So therefore, 1 by 2 was here 2 cos A cos B formula is cos of A plus B by 2. What is my A? 2x. B x by 2 plus A minus B 2x minus x by 2. Okay, minus of this formula is 2 cos A cos B. This is my A, this is my B. Cos of A plus B 3x plus 9x by 2 plus cos of 3x minus 9x by 2. Okay, so therefore this is 1 by 2. You just simplify this. This is 2 into 2, 4x plus x cos of 5x by 2 plus this is 4 minus x, that is cos of 3x by 2. Here 2 into 3, 6, 6 plus 9, 15x by 2. So minus is there, cos of 15x by 2. And here also we have minus this is, okay, 2 into 3, 6. So therefore, I will get 6 minus 9, that is cos of minus 3x by 2. You please try to understand. I am just simplifying. Okay. So, but we know that what about your cos of minus x is equal to cos x only. This is identity. Please note that second identity. Very simple identity. Cos of minus x is cos x. Therefore, cos of minus 3x by 2 is nothing but cos of 3x by 2. So therefore, I can cancel this and this because both are same. This cos of minus 3x by 2 is nothing but cos of 3x by 2 by this property. Therefore, here it is in plus, here it is in minus. Therefore, these two get cancelled. Are you okay? Right. So now come to that 1 by 2. Remaining, I am getting cos 5x by 2 minus cos 15x by 2. Okay, right. So we have a form another identity, 20th identity, cos x minus cos y. What is a cos x minus cos y identity formula? What is my cos x minus cos y formula? So my cos of cos x, you see the identity cos x. You plus first go through all the identities at least once or twice that are very important. So minus 2 sine of x plus y by 2. Okay, cos of x minus y by 2. Sorry, this is also sine of x minus y by 2. This is the identity. Okay, so therefore I'm going to apply the identity here. Take it as this is x, this is y. 5x by 2 is my x, 15x by 2 is my y. So therefore minus, already 1 by 2 is there. Therefore minus 2 sine of x plus y by 2. This is my x, this is my y by 2. So therefore 5x by 2 plus 15x by 2 whole divided by 2. Sin x plus y by 2. Similarly, sin x minus y by 2. 5x by 2 minus 15x by 2 whole divided by 2. This is the identity. So therefore, this my 1 by 2. This 2 get cancelled. I will get only minus sign. This 2 and 2 get cancelled. I will get only minus sign. Sign of. What about here? Look at that. You can take it as 2 commonly. The LCM is 2. 5x plus 15x, that is 20x. 20x by 2, that is 10x. Again, this 2 is there. Here, this numerator is totally, it is 10x. Denominator by 2. Similarly, here, sine of 5x. You can take it as LCM is 2. 5x minus 15x, that is minus 10x. Minus 10 by 2, it is minus 5x. Whole divided by this 2. Okay, please try to understand this. So therefore, this is minus of sine of 10x by 2, that is 5x. Okay, and this sine of minus x can be written as, my sine of minus x is minus sine x. Okay, so therefore, this minus will become here, it is plus sine of 5x by 2. This is your RHS. See the RHS? What is the question? Sine 5x into sine 5x by 2 is the answer. This is, we have to prove that. Okay. Please take that. What is the problem, Kanna? I'm just applying in third slide LHS first step. Look at the first step LHS. I'm just applying 2 cos A cos B formula. That is 2 cos X cos B formula, 2 cos X cos Y formula for both the terms. Here also I'm applying 2 cos A cos B formula. Here also I'm applying 2 cos A cos B formula. This is the formula. In place of A and B, what is the value is there? You substitute the values. Okay, here 2 cos A cos B, here also 2 cos A cos B. I'm just applying the values. AB, 2 cos A plus B plus cos A minus B minus cos A plus B plus cos A plus B cos A minus B. So multiply this minus and then simplify this. Here I am getting cancelling these two because cos of minus x and cos x both are equal. Okay, these two get cancelled. I am getting these two terms. Again we have a property cos x minus cos y. Look at that here multiplication. Cos x into cos y or cos a into cos b. Multiplication property. But here addition or subtraction. Cos of x minus cos y. We have formula for cos x plus cos y also. Okay, so this is addition property cos x plus cos y or cos x minus cos y. Here multiplication property. Please don't confuse these two properties. First of all, you please go through all the properties that are very important. Without properties, you are not possible to, you are not able to answer any question in this trigonometry. Okay, please try to understand. Okay, now come to the next question. Find the value of tan pi by 8. Next question. Find the value of. So we know that pi by 4. Okay, your pi by 4 is 45 degree. We know that tan 30 also 1 by root 3. But this pi by 8 means 22 and a half. So this tan of 22 and a half degree, what is the value? We don't know. We have to find out. Okay. Yeah, very good, Monish. Yeah, please. Before coming to the class, you please just go through the topics. What are the topics we have already discussed, or what are the topics we are going on? Okay, so if you go through all the identities, then you can easily understand what I'm saying. Okay, you can easily understand. Otherwise, it is not possible. You never follow that. Okay, so therefore, every day you please just go through our notes or book problems. Okay, go through the formula, go through the problems. Then only you will get an idea. Then only your class will be easy for you. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for you. Right, this is tan pi by 8 is 22.5 degree. How to find out the tan 22.5 degree? Okay, so now look at that. I don't know the value of 22.5, but I know the value of tan 45. Are you okay? My pi by 8 is, what is my pi by 4? My pi by 4 is 45 degree. Okay, so and then divide both the sides by 2. So here 45 by 2, it is 22.5 degree. Okay, so now the question is find the value of tan pi by 8. But I know the value of tan pi by 4. So therefore, I'm going to apply the formula, or I'm going to take it as this is x. Suppose let x is equal to pi by 8. What is my 2x? That is pi by 4. Okay, so therefore, I'm going to apply the formula tan 2x. What is tan 2x formula? 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. This is a formula, tan 2x formula. 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. We have a formula for tan 2x in terms of sin x, in terms of cos x also. We have 3 formula for tan 2x. One formula is tan 2x in terms of that sin x also. Okay, and cos x also, and this tan 2x is 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square in terms of tan x. Okay, so similarly we have a formula for sin 2x, cos 2x, everything, right? Why I'm choosing here means I'm going to apply this value. So this is 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. And what is my x? Now apply my x. This is 2x is pi by 4. This is 2 into pi by 8. This is I want. Tan pi by 8 value I want. 1 minus tan square pi by 8. Okay, what about this tan pi by 4? That is 1. That is 2 tan pi by 8 by 1 minus tan square pi by 8. Okay, so now what I am suggesting, you take it as tan pi by 8 is some y. Then what happened here? This is 1 is equal to 2y divided by 1 minus y square. Are you okay? Now it will become a quadratic equation. 1 minus y square is equal to 2y. Okay, you bring all the terms to the left hand side. So therefore minus y square minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Multiply by minus, because the quadratic equation first term should be in plus. So therefore this is 2y minus 1 equal to 0. Right. So now what is the question? Tan pi by 8. What is my tan pi by 8? That is nothing but y. That means find out y. Solve this quadratic equation, you will get y. How to solve the quadratic equation? Do you know the formula? Minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So here my a is 1. This is my b is 2. My c is minus 1. Okay, now apply here. My b is 2. That is minus 2 plus or minus root over b square. What is my b square? That is 4 minus 4ac. This is a, this is c. It is minus 1 into minus 4, that is plus 4, divided by 2 into 1, that is 2. So therefore minus 2 plus or minus, this is 4 plus 4, that is 8. 8 can be written as 2 root 2 divided by 2. If you cancel this 2, what is the answer? Minus 1 plus or minus root 2. Okay, so therefore this is your y. What is my y? Y is nothing but tan pi by 8. My tan pi by 8 minus 1 plus or minus root 2. But look at that. What is your pi by 8? Your pi by 8 is nothing but 22.5 degree. Your tan 22.5, that means this pi by 8 belongs to the first quadrant. First quadrant, what about the tan of the angle value? It is always positive. In first quadrant, not only tan, all the angles should be in positive. Tan of pi by 8 is positive. But here I am getting minus 1. Suppose if you take minus 1 minus root 2, that is totally negative. You take minus 1 plus root 2 is more than 1. Okay, more than 1 minus 1 means it is positive. So therefore minus 1 plus root 2 is the value of tan pi by 8. Minus 1 minus root 2 is not possible because your pi by 8 belongs to the first quadrant. In first quadrant, all the trigonometric values are positive. Okay. Yes. Therefore, what is the answer? Since pi by 8 lie in first quadrant, tan pi by 8 is positive. So therefore, what is my tan pi by 8? My tan pi by 8 is minus 1 plus root 2 or root 2 minus 1. Okay. Look at the next question. If tan of tan x is equal to 3 by 4 and pi less than x less than 3 pi by 2, find the value of sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2. Look at that, tan x is only given here, not tan x by 2. Only tan x is given. You have to find out the sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2. How to find out that? Your x is lies in the third quadrant. In third quadrant, your tan is positive. Okay, x belongs to the third quadrant, but we have to find out the sin of x by 2. Then your x is belongs to the second quadrant. If x belongs to the third quadrant, then x by 2 belongs to the second quadrant. Okay. How to find out that? First of all, find out tan x by 2. How to find out my tan x by 2? Right? So now come to that. So what is given? My tan x is given 3 by 4. What about the relation between that identity involving in tan? Secant square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x. This is the identity. We know that the tan x involved. Okay. So therefore, apply that 1 plus, what is my tan square? 3 by 4 the whole square. Right. So therefore, 1 plus, this is 9 by 16. So therefore, this is 16 plus 5, 25 by 16. This is my secant square x. Okay. So your secant x is equal to 5 by 4 plus or minus 5 by 4, but my secant x is secant x is equal to plus or minus 5 by 4. But look at that, my x is lies in the third quadrant, right? Please try to understand, my x is lies in the third quadrant. Here only x is there. X lies in the third quadrant means, what about your secant x? My secant x is negative only. Here tan and cot only positive. Tan and cot only positive. My secant, cosecant, sine, everything is negative only. So therefore, my secant x is negative only, minus 5 by 4. Why? My x belongs to third quadrant. That is pi less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3 pi by 2. Okay, this is my sin x, but look at that, I don't want sin x, secant x. This is my secant x, but I don't want secant x. I want cos x by 2, sin x by 2, tan x by 2. If this is secant x by 2, then we can easily find out cos x by 2 because of that. This is the reciprocal is cos x by 2. But I don't know the secant x by 2. I know the only secant x. Okay, right. Okay, if secant x is minus 5 by 4, secant x is minus 5 by 4, which implies my cos x. What is my cos x? Minus 4 by 5. Right. What is my sin x? My cos x is minus 4 by 5. So this identity, I hope that you all have studied this identity. Your sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos 2x by 2. I hope you have already studied this identity. Okay, so if you are not studied means no problem. Okay, this is the identity derived from that cos 2x. We have cos 2x formula. What is cos 2x formula? Cos square minus sin square and 2 cos square minus 1 and 1 minus 2 sin square. Okay, based on that property, we are deriving this property identity sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Okay, if here, if you take x by 2, what happened? Suppose I am taking x by 2. Sin square x by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos of 2 into x by 2 whole divided by 2. Therefore, you please bring this 2 to the left hand side. This is 2 sin square x by 2 equal to 1 minus cos x. Right? This is the relation between sin x by 2 and cos x. Okay, now I know cos x. What is my cos x? 1 minus 4 by 5. Okay, simplify this. This is not cos square x, only cos x. Right? So therefore, this is 5, this is plus 4. So therefore, 9 by 5. This is my 2 sin square x by 2. What is actually sin x by 2? What is actually sin square x by 2? My sin square x by 2 is 9 by 10. What is my sin x by 2? My sin x by 2 is nothing but plus or minus root of this. Root of 9 is 3 and this is root 10. Okay, plus or minus is there. Okay, look at that. My x is lies between pi less than x less than 3 pi by 2. What about your x by 2? That means divide all the term by 2. Here also by 2, here also by 2. Okay, here also by 2. Okay, so therefore this is pi by 2 to 3 pi by 4. That means this is belongs to that, this second quadrant. My x by 2 is belongs to that second quadrant. Your x is belongs to the third quadrant. What is the half of the angle? What is the half of the angle? Okay. So half of the angle is belongs to the second quadrant. Second quadrant which is positive. My sign is positive. So therefore my sin x by 2 is equal to positive only 3 divided by root 10. This is my sin x by 2. Okay. Once if you got the sin x by 2, we can easily find out my cos x by 2. What is my cos square x by 2? 1 minus sin square x by 2. So therefore this is 1 minus, this is 9 by 10. So what is the answer? 10 minus 1, that is 1 by 10. This is actually cos square x by 2. Okay, what is my cos x by 2? My cos x by 2 is plus or minus 1 by root 10. But I will get only minus 1 by root 10. Why? My cos x by 2, x by 2 belongs to second quadrant. When x by 2 belongs to second quadrant, this cos value will be negative, no positive. So therefore, this is my sin x by 2. This is my cos x by 2. What is tan x by 2? Look at the question. Find sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2. Where tan x by 2 is nothing but sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2. What is the answer? Are you okay? Yes. Which is this sin square. Look at that. This is an identity. Do you know that cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x? This is one identity is there. Cos 2x identity. Please see that. So that's why I am telling repeatedly, you please go through the identities. That is very important. Without identity, you never solve the problem. If you don't know the identity, the problem is very, very difficult for you. You please go through all the identities once or twice. Write all the identities at least once or twice. Memory all the identities, trigonometric identities. So cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. From this, I am deriving this. My sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Sin square x by 2. Here replace x by 2. Here also x by 2. Here also x by 2. 2 cancel. I'm getting x. Why? Because I know this. I want this. I want sin x by 2, but I know it's cos x. So therefore, this is the relation between sin x by 2 and the cos x. So therefore, I'm using this identity. And apply this identity, you will get sin x by 2. Once you got the sin x by 2, cos x by 2 is easy, 1 minus sin square. Your tan is also easy. What is my tan x by 2? Sin by cos. What is sin x by 2? 3 by 10. 3 by root 10. This is, I think, minus 1 by root 10. Root 10 cancel. So therefore, minus 3 is the answer. Okay. Yeah, good. Yeah, look at this kind of problem. The next problem is prove that or show that 2 cos pi by 13 cos 9 pi by 13 plus cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 5 pi by 13 equal to 0. What is the formula for 2 cos A cos B? Identity number 21. Identity number 21. 2 cos A cos B. What is the formula? Okay, 2 cos A cos B formula is cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Try to understand the formula. 2 cos A cos B formula is 2 cos A cos B or cos X cos Y. 2 cos X cos Y formula is cos of X plus Y plus cos of X minus Y. So I'm applying this formula here. I'm taking this is my X, this is my Y. So what is the formula? Cos of X plus these two. Adding these two, pi plus pi by 13 plus 9 pi by 13, 10 pi by 13. Okay, plus cos of X minus Y minus what happened? Pi minus 9 pi minus 8 pi by 13. Are you okay? This is as it is. I am writing cos of 3 pi by 13 plus cos of 5 pi by 13. This is my LHS. Okay. So now how to simplify that? What is the formula for cos of minus x? Identity. Cos of minus x is cos x only. So therefore this is nothing but cos of minus 8 pi by 13 is nothing but cos of 8 pi by 13 alone. Okay, right. So now I am just rearranging the terms. Why, sir? Because look at that here 10 pi by 13, here 3 pi by 13. If you add this numerator, what happened? Here 10 pi is there, here 3 pi is there. If you add the numerator, you will get 13 pi. Are you okay? So therefore, I'm going to rearrange these two terms. That means I'm going to apply the formula for these two terms and these two terms. Here also, if you are adding this 8 pi and 5 pi, what is the answer you are getting? 13 pi. 13 pi divided by 13, you will get pi. Okay, so therefore, I'm just rearranging the terms. Cos of 10 pi by 13. This is cos of 3 pi by 13. Plus, look at that, this is minus vanish. Cos of minus x is cos x only. Cos of 8 pi by 13 only. Okay, yes. Cos of 5 pi by 13. Now apply the formula, the same formula, not this formula, cos x plus cos y formula. What is cos x plus cos y formula? Apply that formula, cos x plus cos y formula. Apply the cos x plus cos y formula. What is the answer? What is my cos x plus cos y formula? So that is 2 cos of this is x, this is y. Okay, x plus y by 2. So therefore, x plus y by 2 means 13 pi by 13 divided by 2. Okay, and cos of x minus y by 2. What is x minus y here? 10 pi minus 3 pi. Okay, so 10 pi minus 3 pi means 7 pi. So therefore, 7 pi by 13 divided by 2. Okay, plus apply the formula for the same here. Okay, 2 cos of a plus x plus y by 2. 8 pi plus 5 pi means 13. So therefore, I'm getting 2 cos of, so this is 2 of, add this 8 pi plus 5 pi, that is 13 pi. So therefore, 13 pi by 13 by 2. Okay, subtract 8 pi minus pi, 8 pi minus 5. What is the answer? That is 3 pi. So therefore, cos of 3 pi by 13 divided by 2. Okay, so now what is this? 13, 13 cancel. What about this 2 cos pi by 2? This is cos of 7 pi divided by 26. This is 2 cos pi by 2. Here 13, 13 cancel. 2 cos pi by 2 into cos of, this is 3 pi divided by 26. But here different value, here different value. But what about here? Your cos pi by 2. What is the value of cos pi by 2? What is the value of cos pi by 2? My cos pi by 2 is 0. 0 into anything, it is 0. Cos 90 is 0. Cos 0 is 1. Cos 90 is 0. This is also cos 90. 0 into anything, 0. Therefore, the answer is 0. This is my RHS. Okay. Please note this. Okay. Miscellaneous exercise problems. Completed miscellaneous exercise. That are the homework problems today. Okay. Miscellaneous exercise separately is there. Which one? So look at that, my dear student. I am applying this formula here, 2 cos x cos y formula here. Here also the same formula. And okay, so here only, here I am applying this formula. Here I am rearranging the terms. This term and this term, write it here. And this, write it here. Okay, apply the cos x plus cos y formula. Cos x plus cos y formula, 2 cos x plus y by 2, cos x minus y by 2. Here also 2 cos x plus y by 2, cos x minus y by 2. Simplify, I am getting cos pi by 2, cos pi by 2. My cos pi by 2 is 0. Please note that my cos pi by 2 is 0. Okay. So you please, first of all, all of you please study the identities. So if you are not studying the identities, any problem, it is difficult for you. You never understand the problem. Okay. We have already discussed problems in principal solution. See that before general solution, we have discussed problems in principal solution also. Before general solution, we have discussed some problems in principal solution. If you want, we will discuss more. Okay.
Okay, thank you all. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next class. Most probably tomorrow we will start the next chapter. If possible, we'll start the next chapter. Thank you. Thank you so much.